Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever one it is. This is Jimo again. Um, I will be continuing with binary operations. So, the last video in binary operation, we cover a lot of definitions of terms. I like you to just go through them. We have commutative, associative, and we have defined inverse, defined identity, defined closure, and um, basic definition of binary operation was also covered. So today we shall be going just straight to some calculations. We're going to solve a variety of questions from simple to a bit challenging one. So let's go straight to work. I'm gonna take this question UTME. Example 1, UTME 2013, question number 21, type U. The question goes thus: if a binary operation asterisk is defined as is defined by x star y is equals to x plus 2y. Find 2 star 3 star 4. Now, ScoreBooster solution. Already we have our definition, so I always advise students to write down the formulae. So now start with the one in bracket. So you have 3 star 4. You can see clearly here that x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. So here, instead of x, I'm going to write 3 plus 2 times, instead of y, I'm going to write 4 times 4. And that will give me what I'm going to have 3 plus 8. This will give me 11. Okay, it means what is inside the bracket is 11. So now I can rewrite the question as 2 star 3 star 4 is the same as 2 star, instead of 3 I have 11. Okay, again, remember my formula is x star y is equals to x plus 2y. Now if I want to work out 2 star 11, it means my x is now 2, my y is now 11. So instead of x, I'm going to write 2 plus 2 times 11. Okay, this is 2 plus 11 times 2 is 22. So my final answer is 24. That is the answer. As simple as that. Don't forget a lot of steps you can jump when you are in jump. You can jump so many of these steps which I have shown here. So I hope this example is clear. This is example from recent JAM question. Let me also take one more. No, I'm going to take more than that. Let me take another example. This is long time back. Example 2. Example 2. This is from JAM 1995 UME. Then it was called UME 1995 question 22. Question 22. Okay, so the question is, if A asterisk B is equals to plus square root of AB, evaluate 2 star 12 star 27. Score booster solution. So first of all, let's solve the problem in bracket. So let's rewrite the formula that we are given, AB. So in brackets it says 27, so it means your A is 12, your B is 27. So you're gonna have this, your A 12 times 27. Now I hope we understand this. AB means A times B. Okay, now the problem some people will be having here is simplification of this. Remember, jump calculators are not allowed, so you need to use your knowledge of sword here. And what you are going to get here is, this will be plus, and this will be 4 times 81. How do you go about that? You know that 12 times 27, this is the same as 4 times 3 times 27 is 3 raised to power 3. So this will be 4 times 3 raised to power 4. You see, this is 1, 3 raised to power 4, and this is, so this is 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 4. Now if you take square root of 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 4, square root of 2 raised to power 2 is 2, and square root of 3 raised to power 4 is 3 raised to power 2, which is 9. So that is where this comes from. So I'm going to have plus 2 raised to power 4, square root of 4 is 2, times square root of 81 is 9. So your answer is going to be plus 18. You may not need to write this already, you know it's plus. So your answer is 18, only for what is in the bracket. So I can rewrite now. I'm gonna have 2 okay, star 12 star 27 is equals to 2 star, what did I get, 18 star 18. Again, don't forget your formula is A star square root of AB. So 2 star 18 now will be equal to this is my A and this is my B. So I'm gonna have what? 2 times 18. Same, you're gonna use your law of indices, or you can just go this way. 2 times 18 is 36, and square root of 36 is 6. That's the positive square root of 36 is 6. So this will be your final answer. These are straightforward question if you gonna agree with me. So let's go to another example. Example 3. You can see that majority of those examples are just repetition, and if you treat past questions very well, I believe you're gonna make it. Let's look at another example. This is what year is this one? 1997 UME 1997. The question is where is it? Okay, two binary operations star, and I don't know what to call this one, cyclic x are defined as m n is equals to mn minus 1, and the second operation is defined as mn plus n minus 2 for all real numbers mn. Find the value of 3, 4 asterisk 5. So our score booster solution goes thus. Starts with what is in the bracket. So I'm going to have 4. Before that, let me write the formula. Just what is in the bracket is asterisk, so I'm going to write the formula for asterisk, which is m asterisk or star m is equals to mn minus n minus 1. Now I want to work out what is in the bracket first. So it's going to be 4 star 5, and that will be, it means my m is 4 and my n is 5. So I'm gonna have m, which is 4 times 5 minus n, which is 5 minus 1, right? Excuse me. So now I'm gonna have, let me write this way, I'm gonna have 20 minus 5 minus 1, which is minus 6, and that will give me 14, right? So the next one now is, I can now write 3 4 star 5 is now equals to 3 this, then into brackets, what did I get? 14, right? Now remember, this cyclic x, the formula for it is m operating on n is equals to mn minus n, sorry, plus n minus 2. And if I now have 3 and 14, it means my m is 3, my n is 14. So I'm gonna have 3 times 14 plus n, which is 14 minus 2. And so what I'm gonna have is gonna be 42 plus 14 minus 2, and this will give me, let me put it here, this will give me 54, and that will be my final answer. These are straightforward questions. Question 1, 2, 3 are still almost the same, you can see. Let's go to example 4, and I believe you are getting what I am doing. This is a bit different, trickish, but still believe it's gonna be an easy one. So still UME 1997. What I have observed is that up till 2007 there are always 2 questions under binary operations. It was changed afterwards, maybe 1, but at least you are gonna get 1 question under binary operation. So this year, 1997, there are 2 questions. Question number 22 is like this: if x star y is equals to x plus y minus xy, find x when x star 2 plus x star 3 is equals to 68. Score booster solution. Now we are going to use the formula that we are given here to solve for this and this. So write the formula is equals to x plus y minus xy. The first one, x asterisk 2 is equals to, you see x is x but y is 2. So I'm gonna have x plus 2 minus still x times 2. This will be x plus 2 minus 2x, and this will give me 2 minus x, right? If I collect like them, this is 2 here, this is 2x, so x minus 2x is minus x. Then the second one, which is x star 3, see my x is still x and my y is 3. So I'm going to have x plus 3 minus x times 3. This will be x plus 3 minus 3x, and that will give me 3 minus 2x. I hope that is clear and we are following. So now the next thing is, I was told that x star 2 plus x star 3 is equals to 68. X star 2 is this, so I'm going to put it 2 minus x, plus x star 3 is this, so I'm going to have 3 minus 2x, all is equals to 68. Okay, now I'm gonna open the bracket. So I'm gonna have 2 plus 3 and minus x minus 3x. So let me see. If I open the bracket, I'm gonna have 2 plus 3, which is 5, minus 3x is equals to 68. Is that correct? 2 plus 3, right? That is 5, minus x minus 2x, that's minus 3x. So I'm gonna have minus 3x is equals to 68 minus 5. Okay, and minus 3x is gonna give me 63. Therefore, my x is equals to 63 over minus 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Right? So my x is gonna be minus 21. And that is my final answer. Don't be afraid. I believe there are a lot of steps that I'm writing here that you do not need to write when you are writing JAM. Under exam conditions, you don't need to write all the steps. After all, you are writing MCQ. It's a multiple choice. Just pick A or B. Nobody wanna see, nobody will like or require you to show your workings. Okay? So this is the final answer, and that is question number 4. I wish I take one more question. Okay, so let me take one more question, and that will be the last one. Question number 5. Example 5. Example 5. This is 1999 UME 1999. Question 10. Question 10. If m star n equals to m over n minus n over m, for m n is a member of R, evaluate minus 3 star 4. Score booster solution. So we have m n is equals to m over n minus n over m. So what are we gonna have here? What we're gonna have here is this is the formula. So minus 3 star 4, it means your m is minus 3, your n is 4. Okay, so you're gonna have minus 3 over 4 minus n, which is 4 over 3, right? So using your knowledge of mathematics, you're gonna have minus 3 over 4. This is minus minus, you're gonna have plus, so over 3. Find the LCM, do all the rationalization you know how to do, and from there you're gonna get 7 over 12, and this will be your final answer. We have solved 5 different questions. Now I'm gonna give you some exercises that are similar to what I have given you, and you're gonna try your hands on them. All right?